So today we are going to learn rectangle command, elongated profile and fillet command, and with the help of these we are going to make this exercise. So we'll start with the rectangle command, but before starting I would like to say, if you like my channel then please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates. So now here we'll start with rectangle command. So at present we are in the part window. So but obviously we need to make a rectangle, so for that we need to go in the sketcher window. So we'll come to the action bar, we'll click on position sketch and click on the plane in which we want to work. Now you can see just next to the profile command there is rectangle command, and we are having so many options of rectangle commands. So one by one we'll see. The very first option is rectangle command with two corner point, that means first point and second point. It is very easy to make a rectangle. Second option is with the help of center rectangle, that means it will first take the center of the rectangle and then create a rectangle. So from this to this you can see there is no symmetry icon is there, but in this rectangle there is no symmetry icon, because in center rectangle, that means whenever you will drag it you can see it is getting stretched from both the side. It is just like behaving like a symmetry, but here when you will drag only one edge will get disturbed. So if it is totally upon your options, whatever options you required you can choose the option accordingly. Now the third option is oriented rectangle. Like I want to make a rectangle, so you can see the difference. Here no horizontal and vertical inbuilt constraint is there. Here inbuilt symmetry constraint is there. But here you can see the perpendicularity constraint and parallelism constraint is there. Now I want a parallelogram. See, in parallelogram we will get only parallelism as an helping constraint. Now centered parallelogram, I want this line and this line to be center and want a parallelogram. So you have to take a reference of two lines to create this parallelogram. So I hope you can understand the difference. That is the reason I am creating in one single window all the commands. Now we will create a polygon. By default you can see number of polygon side is 6, and you can create a polygon with an incircle or circumcircle option. Like when we talk about fasteners, nut and bolts, they always with these calculations only. So that is the reason in the software also we get these polygons in incircle or circumcircle. So whatever the dimensions you are having, whether you are having a dimension of incircle, then choose the option incircle. If you are having the dimensions of circumcircle, then choose the option circumcircle. Like I currently am taking the default one. I just have to define the center of the rectangle, and you can see incircle, that means tangency. Up to the tangency of the polygon I will get the radius value. So like this we can create a polygon, but you can see by default it is of 6 side only. Now we'll create a circumcircle. So we'll just click on center and we can change the option to circumcircle. Now you can see the values are different. Clear? Now what I want to change the dimension of the polygon. Like I want to sorry, not the dimension, I want to change the number of sides of the polygon. Like now I don't want hexagon, I want a pentagon or an octagon. So in that case, after clicking the center of the polygon, you have to unlock this option. At present number of sides has been locked, so I just do unlocking by clicking on it. Now you can see it is unlocked. So when I'll click to the second option, it will now ask for the number of sides. So I want a pentagon, so I'll just click 5, write 5 and we'll get a polygon of 5 sides. So there are some constraints while creating a polygon. Like when you are creating a polygon, the maximum number of sides which you can create is 24. This is the constraint for the software. Like here you can see this polygon is of 24 sides. Again we will see the polygon command. Now polygon command, I just click, and minimum number of side is 3 and maximum number of side is 24, which we have already created. Now I want to create a polygon of 5 sides. Let's see what it will do. It is saying the number of sides is out of range. Select a value between 3 and 24. That means we cannot create a polygon more than 24 sides. So this is the constraint for the software, not for the polygon. Polygon we can create with more sides, but here you can, in this software, here you can create a polygon maximum by default with of 24 sides. So if you want to lock it, you can lock it again by clicking here. Then it will, but you can see it will always lock on the 6th side, because in mechanical most of the time we use hexagon only, because for fasteners, head, bolt, nut, whatever it is, we always use an hexagonal head. I hope this rectangle command is very much clear, and if you find any doubt you can ask in the comment box. Now we will create a fillet command. Elongated profile. So this is my elongated profile. You can see here elongated hole, cylindrical elongated hole, and key profile hole. These are some inbuilt profile where we can make our work easier. Like suppose if I want a profile like this, so we have one option where we can create a line like this and a line like this and then a circle. It means now I have to create multiple operations, multiple tools to give this tangency and everything. Then only we will be getting the profile like this. But here you can see my work becomes so easy. I'll just click on the command and we can make an elongated profile. So easy. So I'm just going to delete this. Different cylindrical elongated, center point, another point, and then the radius up to which we want, and we get a cylindrical elongated profile. And the same way keyhole profile, first click, second click, third click, and fourth click. This way you will get elongated profile, and we can use it as per our dimensions and requirement. I hope this is also clear to you all. Now we will come to the fillet command. Now this is the area where I want to do the fillet. So we'll just come to the action bar, and in just after this quick trim you can see a corner option. This is an option where we can do the fillets. So just click on corner, and in corner tool palette you can see there are 6 options. These are the 6 different options through which we can do the fillet. These are the options of trimming, like first element and second element, and we get a fillet. So this is a very first option. Now I'll just do Ctrl Z. Now again we will go to the corner command. Now I'll just choose second option. So first element, second element, and you can see the second element remains, because in this drawing you can see it is not trimming the first element. Now trim first element, now it is saying no trim. That means the whole drawing will remain the same, only we will get a fillet option. Sorry, I have not changed the option. This one. So this and this, you can see. Now I want to give another option. So likewise you can do one by one and do the practice accordingly. Clear? Now the hidden lines. Now you will get the lines trimmed but in construction form. The last option we will see, first option, second option. See, I am telling you the command so that you first make sure you practice the command, then only skip to exercise. Don't do exercise directly. First, try to play with the commands, like make some rectangles with different options, make some elongated profile, or do the fillets with different option. Then only you jump to exercise. Then you will be very well versed with CATIA. If you are directly jumping to the exercise, then you are not very good to with tools. So if you want to be very fluent in tools, then please do learn tools first, then only switch to exercise. So now we have done symmetry command, rectangle command, and not the symmetry command, rectangle command, and fillet command, and elongated profile. So now we'll come to the exercise. So in this exercise we can see a square of 100 and 100. So first we'll make a square of 100 and we can see that this drawing is symmetry to both the axes, horizontal axis as well as vertical axis. So I am just making my 0 of the drawing to be here, and this will match with my GUI 0. So what we'll do, I'll just make a centered rectangle from the center of the GUI like this. And what are the dimensions for this? So this is this is 100. Fine. Now I just want 4 corners to be of radius 10. No, not 10, 20. So we'll select the corner command and we will give the corners. So instead of giving 4 times corner command, I am just clicking the corner command and we are going to the very first option and selecting the whole rectangle in the dialog box. With the help of this, we will get all 4 corners all together with the inbuilt constraint of equal. You can see equal constraint is there. Now what I'll do, I'll just make it 20. Now another 100 is left. So I'm just making it 100, or I can say this and this to be equal. We can also do this. So I'm just making this and this to be equal. So this is the reason why I'm doing so, because if anyhow I got some modification and I got to know that this square is not of 100, it is of 120, then you can see I have done the editing in only one dimension, but my modification is on the other side as well, because I have given a relationship of equal. So this is the benefit of giving relationships. Just because of these relationships, we get our modification work very easy. So please make sure you work so precisely that you don't need to do the much in modifications. Now this much is done. Now what I want to make an elongated profile. Elongated profile. This. So I'm just deleting this because I want to display it as a radius. So this is radius 10 and this dimension from here to the center of this profile is 30 and this profile from here to here it is 15. Now you can see my rectangle has been created according to the dimension which was mentioned in the drawing. Now this curve is still in black in color. That means we need to constrain this circle as well. But as we know that my drawing is completely symmetry in horizontal axis. So what I'll do, I'll just select this, and by this we got to know learn a new constraint, and this and about horizontal. First this, second and third, while pressing control button. Go to constraint defining dialog box and give symmetry command. So you can see the constraint has been done. Clear? Now again you can create an elongated profile and do the same procedure, or what I'll do, I'll just select the whole profile and I am going to use mirror command. So next from the corner command we are having a mirror command. I'll just select the mirror command. I have already selected the component which I want to mirror, and now I'll select the mirror, which plane, which line or which axis I want to act as a mirror. So currently I want my vertical axis act as a mirror. So I'll just click on vertical. Now you can see my drawing is complete. How simple and easy it is. So I hope you like this. And we have completed the same as per the drawing. So this is how you also going to create this drawing. And if you would like to share your drawing with me after completing, you can share so that I can give my comments if you are wrong somewhere, and if it is good then it is very good. So I hope you like this video, and if you like this video then please do like and subscribe my channel for more